That would help, wouldn't it? Sorry. Hello. Welcome. I've been chatting for 1 minute and 20 seconds with no sound. Good thing somebody stopped to tell me. I am just messing around. I want you to fuck with the bot. We're going to add some more in here, I think. All changes saved. Yay! Okay, so this is the BSing. The BSing. Something. You can hear me now, okay? Ooh, we should get some music or something. You know what? I'll turn this down. Put that there. Calm down, calm down. Everybody's calm. Nobody blow anything up. Just start messing with the bot. Make the bot flip out. We're gonna start with screwing with the bot for a minute. And then I'm just gonna shoot it some shit. Maybe I'll change the oh, that probably would have been a good idea to change the thumbnail before I did this. Where is my shooting the shit? Shooting the crap. Don't I have a shooting the crap? Yes. Yes, you can. You can do whatever you like to the bot. Have at the bot. I want to see if and what I need to add to the bot to make the bot more fun. And I am going to mess around with you guys for a few minutes on a non-contextual stream, so I'm not running the game show or anything. I don't really have any topics or thoughts. I just like bullshitting once in a while, and it's been a couple of weeks, I think. So here I am, just bullshitting. So happily give me whatever you got to bullshit with, and I will change that to the giggles. Shooting the crap. Now with giggles. Alright, now we have that fixed. Alright, punch, punch, punch. I wonder if, here's a fun question since you're giving me emojis. Can I make the bot react to emojis? Anybody? Anybody want to see? First, I have to get rid of this window here. So what we're going to do is we're going to forget what I'm doing. I want to go to a bookmark tab, and I have a few hundred of them, and we'll go to Nightbot, custom command page. And we will see if adding an emoji will set the bot off. So add command, and we want the command to be, and luckily my computer has this touchscreen thing so I can pop up a keyboard. Maybe. There it is. There it is. Now we go to the emojis. We need an emoji suggestion, guys. Emoji suggestion. Let's start with... Whoops. My computer doesn't have all the same emojis as... What I am looking for, we will start with this one. Alright, a good thing that's in the chat. I will keep that in mind. Let's try something as a test. Get the skull emoji ready. And we'll try out a benign one for my own egotistical pleasures here. Submit. Okay. Let's try the skull. Alright. Anybody got that skull ready? Do I have to go find my skull emoji? Boom, skull emoji. Why is my computer slowing on me? There we go. Skull emoji. Send. There it is. There it is. Oh, you can use emojis. You can use emojis. Here we go, guys. Emojis. All right. I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to attempt an eggplant punch. No, see, here's the problem. I'm going to have to program these slowly. Pain in my ass. All right, I'm not with the live chat. Let me fix that so I can catch back up with you guys. Alright, unfortunately that bot has a mandatory 5-second cooldown on its commands. So you can use each command sequentially, but you can only use one command every 5 seconds. So you can't repeat the same command to the bot until 5 seconds has passed, regardless of who's running the command. So a plain skull is now all hail NumbedSkull. So now we have to go back into there. I have to open up my touch keyboard emoji panel and figure out where the hell an eggplant's going to be. We're going to start with Sasuke's first suggestion. We have eggplant. And then we got to look for people. Is people where the punch is? People is where the punch is. Eggplant, punch. Do you want eggplant plus punch, or do you just want eggplant punch? And then smiley emoji with a bandaged head is the response. What do we want for the response? This is the fun part, guys. When you show up to one of these bot programming sessions, you are the ones that know what the bot has. I don't have a bandaged smiley in here. I have a mind blown. I have a teary eye. Am I not with live chat? Okay, guys, throw your comments in there. I'm looking for the bandaged smiley emoji and I don't see him. What's next? Maybe he's with the punches. And if I can hit 1,000 subscribers, I know how to create all those fun things that they do on like the Kumite, the little emojis for sponsorship. But I don't want to ask people to give me money. If you got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't. I don't give people money. I don't have it like that. If I did, I would, but it wouldn't be a lot because then I wouldn't have it like that. So, all right, I've got a head with a turban on it. What should I put up here? Making responses be something to do dick punch. Dick punch. Something funny with dick punch. How about I comedicize it? Why didn't that work? What am I typing in? We'll do finger hole. Alright, so ready your eggplant punch emoji. And submit. Eggplant punch. Oh, okay, I can do that. Hold on. Well, hit your eggplant emoji and see what I did. And while you do that, where did it go? Because it's always good to know that these things work. Here we go. We'll edit. I forget how to write this out in here, so let's put it in. Wait, what did I just do? Something clicked somewhere. We'll put it in here, and then I'll have you try it. So get your eggplant punch emoji ready, and I will see if I can make the bot write your name. I think it's like that, but I'm not sure. And then submit. Hey, Reaper. It's a mess around stream. It's a mess around stream. Okay, eggplant punch. I want to see if it comes up with $user or put your name in there. No? Why are you not working? You worked a second ago. Come on. This bot's slow. Maybe it's just my screen. See? So how do I make that give me your name? There is a... How do I make Nightbot read your name? Maybe I just have to take the $sign out? I know in some of these you just gotta... Alright. Maybe like that. Reaper, if you got suggestions, we'll happily throw them in there. If you put a skull in the chat, you all hail NumbedSkull. Little ego in that. Why not? Why not have a little bit of ego? I am a skull. I can, whatever. Yeah. Alright. So, we can try eggplant punch again. And it should, I don't know. It might put your name in there. We'll see. We'll see. And then... Sasuke just wants a way to punch the pot. Punch the pot. No, it still says user. Damn it. Alright, how do I do that then? We'll go there, and we'll look to see if there's a... Maybe it's $. Variables, user, example, it's $ parenthesis. Oh, I'm not even using the right freaking something and hammer. We can do that. Let me fix Sasuke's dick punch bot. And it's $, whoops, not 9, comma, user, or parentheses, user, parentheses. Ah, damn you. I'm adding to it to make it funny because that's what I do. Stop trying. There we go. There we go. Mildly entertaining. Let me press save and your dick punch is ready. You heard me click and there it went. Might have to give it a second or try again. If it comes up with user, you know you were quick. Yes, it worked! Alright, now that I know how to do that, it's good. See, every time I mess with the bots, I learn something new. Alright, something and hammer. Alright, so in order to do these, and these take a minute because I gotta bring up my touch keyboard, and just to let you all know, because nobody's verbally chatting with me, I'm sure some of you also have the Kumite playing. I have the Kumite playing in one ear. I need... How do you feel now that you got your dick punch? She's ecstatically happy. So now in the middle of chat somewhere, you're going to see eggplant punch. Alright, so Reaper, you want something to make the bot come up with a hammer. Something in hammer. You guys got to tell me what sounds fun. I put extra stuff in there, but you tell me what sounds fun, and I will add that as well because you're the ones that showed up. This is one of the pleasures of being a subscriber that shows up when I hit that stream button. Overjoyed. Let's see. Let's see, what emojis are in here? So one of the problems is the touchscreen keyboard automatically disappears when I type. So now I have to find what I had before, which is a pain in the ass. There it is. Awesome. And what bot am I working on? Nightbot. Somebody type Nightbot in the chat. Does anything come up when you just type in Nightbot? Nothing? I'll count to 5. If I don't see anything, that will be the title of this command. That one came up because you typed maybe. Maybe when you say dick face, it pops the skull. So we are going to press save. Submitted. It is there. It is there. You can now type the word Nightbot and see how Nightbot will respond to you, because entertaining. Now, don't forget I have other bots. The only problem is here's the fun part about my bots. So apparently, if I program this right, somebody sitting in my Discord and in my chat, if I did this, would hear audio going through the chat rooms. I'm going to have to work on that. There's a lot of cool stuff. Yep, Nightbot just finally came out of the closet. Oh, and there's Skullbot. Nobody figured out what the word was, though we had someone get close to the original context in which I created the word for. Oh, let's see. What else can we add? Let's get a stupid one in there. Let's get a stupid one in there. I'm proud of you, Nightbot. Alright, I think it is awesome that I can make the bot respond to emojis. Trap no state. Trap no state. Yay. No. You guys are getting colder. Alright, so there's a lot of smiley faces. Let's see what the smiley faces give me. Alright. And then I want to say the hands are over here. And then we do this. And if anybody wants to put a smiley face with hard eyes out there, the bot will show you love. Come on. I always hate waiting for the bot to do what it's supposed to do, and I've got so many screens I can't see everything that's going on. Oh, yeah, and apparently my keyboard's taking up half of one screen. I'm sorry, it's funny to me. What can I do? And don't get me wrong, I've been into a lot of chat rooms and I've paid attention to a lot of streams, and you don't see very many that get into the point of making their chat interactive, even if they're not interacting with it. So I'm trying. So let's say there were 30 people here, and one of every 100 words said popped up with a bot response. There would be a bot flowing around in there just being an asshole. And that's kind of the cool part about it, you know? That's what I think is fun when I hop into my Discord and nobody's busy and I go, hey, anyone here? And then all of a sudden the bot starts responding. You have a stupid conversation with it and it can go on for like 20 minutes. Look, I was just entertained for 20 minutes over my own programming. That's cool to me. I'll take it. What do we need to do now? Boner fart. I wonder, do the Discord Nightbot ones work in here? I'm trying to see if any of my old defaulted ones, like the main commands, the ones I started with, work in here, and I don't see that they do, so no. Let's see. Let's see. I want to say U is the command for I am dead bot. Oh, Skullbot sets off Nightbot. Nice. Nice. Let's see. Commands. Let's try this one. Let's see if this one will allow me to add an emoji for a command. We'll mess with the other bot for a minute. Oh, look at that. I don't like that. It just put my keyboard on the wrong screen. Oh, that's screwed up. An emoji keyboard on a 65-inch screen. That's fucked. I don't know why you had to use the exclamation for boned. You have been boned by a regular. By the way, I believe all of you that are in here right now are over 3 hours watch time, which means you're all regulars. Yay! Attention whoring chatbots. Yeah, attention whoring chatbots, not done often. What was retracted? Did I accidentally just click that and retract it? That wasn't me that removed your message, was it? Let's see. Let's go in here. We'll close that. Give me that. And you said not me. No, that one wasn't retracted. Okay, I can't go back and look. That's messed up. Yeah, I can. What do we got here? A. You typed an A. You retracted an A. Come on. I have 4 different chat menus open on here, so if you retract a message, I'm still going to see it somewhere because it doesn't retract on all of the systems. Both of my bots have their own chat systems that run separately. The chat that you see on the screen runs separately from YouTube, and then I have my YouTube chat. So I literally have 4 chats running just to make sure I can try and keep up. So that's why sometimes things get confusing on my end. But just to let you guys know, that's why, is because the screen that I'm broadcasting, that I'm looking at from my OBS, has a chat on it. That chat is connected to Streamlabs. Then I have the Streamlabs chat bot that has its own chat monitor. Then I have the Fussbot, which is where you guys play with the bones. That's a chat bot that has its own chat monitor. So in order to get all these bots running, they all have to run on my computer. And can I make this thing do things on the screen? I think I can. That's cool. All right. I can. Okay, so we want to go in here, and then we'll take this and we'll move it over here, and then we'll get the keyboard open, and our command is going to be just a regular smiley face, just for a test. Okay, and command timeout 0. Timeout is user specific. No. And I have a vehicle turning around right outside my house. What's going on? Oh, okay, they're going away. All right. Oh, that's why things are weird for me. There we go. Let's move that. All right, now we got that too. Save command. Weekend is for FBI. The female body inspector. Awesome, awesome. I'll do that. I'll do some female body inspecting. Anybody want to get in line? Shh, my wife can't hear me right now. She's in the other room with the TV on. And she doesn't watch my show, so I should be okay, right? Yeah, okay. Right. Why? No wonder why shit's all screwed up. I've got way more windows than I need. Okay. Hell yeah. Alright, so now let's give a plain smiley face. Hello, J-House Rock. Is that supposed to be Jailhouse Rock? Interesting pun. Appreciate your patronage. Come on in, hang out for a few minutes. There is a wrench for no good reason other than I haven't hit 200 yet. That's my goal, guys. 200 wrenches, and then you only get them if you hang out. I gave you the wrench. Why didn't it pop you up with moderator? Let me double check that. Did I do it right? No, it says you got it. It says you got it. Turn off the porn, NumbedSkull. Save the resources. I don't put porn on my computer. That's a mistake. I do that on my phone. That way I can turn it on and stream at the same time. You guys are trying to crash the Nightbot. He's just going nuts in there. J-House Rock, welcome to the stream. Hang out. What we're doing right now, literally, is just setting some more things to make my Nightbot be an asshole. So if you put eggplant emoji, punch emoji, the Nightbot should come back and give you shit. If you type in a skull emoji, you will hail me. Thank you, thank you. If you type in hey or later or night, is it night? Type in Nightbot. Type in anything. Type in XD. Type in come on, help me, people here. I've got so many I can't even remember them. Holy shit, Reaper! Robbing the damn bank, I tell you what. I recognize the want a bone. That's robbing the bank. That's robbing the bank. Did I put a STFU in for Nightbot? Let me check. I have 5 pages of commands in here. Yes, I did. How does anal rape feel while you're asleep? Oh, you don't know? You want to find out? Sorry. Nightbot's programmed to be an asshole. Actually, J-House, I want to call you Jailhouse, but J-House, there's 2 bots in here, and they do lots. And there's one of the bots that's in here is also in my Discord. The one that's very active in here is in my Discord, and it gets entertaining. Shits and giggles. Nightbot is literally just set up to be fun. Why not? Even I sit here and fuck. I go into my Discord, ask anybody when they see me in there. I've gone in there and rattled that thing on for like 15 minutes and then sat there and added a whole bunch more because shit that I was thinking of didn't do anything yet. So, I think it's fun. I try to stay entertained. If you guys are entertained, then cool, hang out with me. If you're not entertained, then this probably isn't where you want to be. And you might not like anything else I do either. But since you are new here, I encourage you, tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is my next show. I have 5 shows a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern, and Tuesday, Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Come on by, hang out in the chat, and if you want, hop on the show one day, just let me know. Everybody knows I'm pretty accepting of most people. I just want the perspectives and voices, people to talk to. Why not? Alright, also, because it's always good to let you guys know, the older people here, the ones who've been here the longest, which will soon be those who have wrenches, know that there's a lot that happens in the chat that has nothing to do with me. You can rob a bank, you can gamble, you can talk to the bots will talk back. Keywords bring up phrases, site names bring up links, and what else? Am I forgetting things, guys? Oh yes, today we started programming emojis in as commands. I didn't mean it like that. The regulars. There we go. The regulars in here. How many of you guys are on the regulars? YouTube channel URL if you want to add the name as a regular. So Why do I have to find you guys as URLs to add you to Nightbot? That's messed up. Okay, so can I do it like this? Let's submit it like that. You returned invalid. You returned invalid. You returned invalid. Yay! I don't know, Sasuke, I don't know your channel name. I can't make you a regular. This is stupid. Oh, man. How do I... So, okay, here's what I gotta do. We'll start with Sasuke. We're gonna click on Sasuke. Maybe. We're gonna go to channel. We're going to copy that over, and we're going to go into the Nightbot regulars. So apparently being a regular gives you certain privileges. I don't know what they are yet. Boom. And it knows you. Okay, who's next? Reaper, you're next. Let me click on your name and go to channel. And now that I'm going to take the regulars from one bot and manually add you to the regular list on the other bot and hopefully give you guys the ability to do things. And I literally have to thank you, data. I will grab yours next. Add user, paste, submit, and unwanted Reaper. Open a new tab, and it's going to load and tell me error 404. Nope, it got it. It got your YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, guys, little tip just to let you guys know. I believe if you type something after a link when you post in chat with a wrench, if you type just like link to blah after the link, it takes away the YouTube part where it adds the blank character afterwards. And that allows you to submit links as a wrenched moderator in people's chats. Data. Boom, there you are. Oh, that was Saki. How come data just gave me Sakis? Okay, that works. And you can barely in the background hear my headphones. Let's see. That's my headphone on my microphone. I got unwanted Reaper already. I'm quick, guys. You have to know. I can move as quick as my computer can load. And with everything I have open, I've already got 5 of you guys in here. 4. 1 was already there. Because my first regular was Beware of Darkness. Now I have Dark Sasuke, Data Wasteland, Saki the Real, Unwanted Reaper. Who else is a regular? Fussbot ranks. Nope, that's not how. Controls, viewers. Let's go to watched minutes. And at the very top of the list, here we go, guys. Here's your rundown. Dark Sasuke, 695 watched minutes with 2,145 coins. Unwanted Reaper, 622 watched minutes with 8,312 coins. Saki the Real, 470 watched minutes with 799 coins. Data Wasteland, 380 watched minutes with 578 coins. Malevolent, I didn't see Malevolent chatting here. Bronner, Hirsch. Regin, if you're still here, you have 126 watch minutes with 229 coins. Who else did I see in here? So J-House, this is how this works. Every minute you watch, you get a coin. If you are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and it should automatically award you with 100. The coins are actually called bones in here, and you throw bones, you go on bone heists, things like that, because I'm a skeleton. Bones, you know. I think you need to give me another 200 coins. Check Streamlabs. Really? Is Streamlabs not working? Does it... It's supposed to show up automatically here. Board scroll ticker. The alert box is open. Okay, so over here. Sponsored. No, not sponsored. Donation. Damn, I hate this. The bot link up sucks. It's only good for watching the chat, so I will have to go directly to Streamlabs. But you know what, you guys, hang out here for a few minutes. Everybody that's hanging out, I will throw Saki his couple here, and then I'll throw everybody some just for hanging out. Why not? Just because I'm a nice guy and I do shit like that. Yeah, actually, I dropped you 5,000 bones 2 weeks ago, Reaper. Oh shit, why is it not working? Alright, so let's do this. If I miss you, let me know I missed you. Let's see. Sorry about the silence. If he puts you on the regular list. Oh, by the way, everybody with wrenches, you are supposed to earn extra coins somehow. I'm not sure whether or not that works. So, I don't know. Maybe you earn 2 every minute, and then if and when I get sponsorships, that's supposed to double it again, I think. This stuff is all a little off. Regine, did I get you? Let's see. Where did that other guy's name go? J. H. Yep, he's still here. There he goes. There it is. There's some bones. Alright, so who did I not give bones to? Saki, Reaper, Data, Sasuke, Regine, and J-House. If I'm missing anybody, speak up, because the bots don't get bones. Fuck them. I'll fuck them with my bones. No. Okay. You're welcome. Hey, you guys, it's fun in the chat. You're here. Why not give you extra for showing up for a bullshit stream? I'm only going to be on for maybe 20 more minutes at the most, because, family... let's see. So that puts you guys all up a little bit. Now I have to figure out why this isn't working. So, is it because I downloaded the bot? Let's try this. We're gonna redo that. Do you guys hear anything? There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, what did that comment? See DOS, run, DOS, run. Okay, I see that. And let's see, in case J-House hasn't subscribed yet, let's see if this works. This is for my last subscriber. Why am I still not putting to my television? That's why I can't hear anything. Damn it, I'm an idiot. I'm just messing with my shit all over the place. That's why. Oh, you guys are robbing my bones. There's 4 banks. I don't know. Have we ever made it up to the 4th one? Okay, planning time is over. We are now 3 people. We can rob the bone jar. Let's go. This one will write history. We've got more bones than we'd ever thought we'd be able to handle. Oh, do I dare click on the link from Data Wasteland? Which window will it open in? I've only got 3 browsers. Joshua Lice, Joshua Slice, Joshua's Lice, Lucas the Spider. What? Confusing me. Lucas the Spider. 1 million subscribers? What? 4 videos? What the fuck? What is that? Something they did in Blender? 20 seconds, 22 seconds, 31 seconds. Okay, so there's 6 videos. None of them are more than 33 seconds. And you've got how many subscribed? 1.4 million? Alright, tomorrow I'm gonna be a spider instead of a skull. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be a spider. I'm gonna crawl around on things to get viewers. Wrenches, J-House wrenches are cool. I'm wrenched in a lot of places I am because I've been there for a while. Some rooms, like Sinatra Says or Cognitive Thought, they'll give everybody a wrench when you come in. What I decided to do, because I survived the Tonka's wrench purge, and I've just been re-wrenched in Failure's room, I decided mine would be, I would wrench everybody to a set number between 200 and 250, and I think I'm going to go with 200. And then after 200, if you want a wrench, you must be a guest on the show. Then I can harass the people who aren't blue in my chat to come on my show. Excuse me. Something like that. Something like that. I don't know. I won't harass you too badly. You got a new wrench. Yep, it's always good to have a wrench too. Wrenches will do this. Let's say somebody were to come in that wasn't wrenched and I didn't like what they said and somebody muted them for me or something. You as a wrenched person would be able to see what they said even after it was muted, or be able to mute somebody if they said something inappropriate, but I'm not a person that that mutes. I can play the audio, but being that they're 30 seconds, I'll get in trouble.
Hi,
What?
It's dark down there.
The actual
it's on the other side.
fuck.
Lucas, go down.
What? The actual fuck. Okay, Lucas the Spider. Awesome. I've been enlightened on new things. Thank you. Thank you so much, I think. Alright. Let's get back over here and see what I'm missing. Alright. Alright, so now that we have audio running, let me try that again. We're gonna hit this and we're gonna refresh with the audio what happens when you subscribe. I'm gonna have to adjust the size and location on that, aren't I? Well, things need to be fixed apparently. I'm going to have some work to do later. Okay. I really need to learn how to set my shit up a little better, because this shouldn't be there. Whoops, not that one, that one. Okay, we're not in the great debate. This is just a chatter stream. Don't know why I left those there, but we're back. There we go. That looks a little cleaner. Looks like I'm just staring out some ship window with readouts in the corner. Ooh, that would be cool. I don't know. A skeleton driving a spaceship would not be as cool as I think it is. I don't think I'm turning my studio into a spaceship. Maybe another time. J-House Rock, welcome to the server. If you are a creator, there's places for you to post and you get upgraded to Oracle. I just looked over and saw that. I don't know how long ago you jumped. Let's see, what else is there? Hey Num, there's also a guy with millions of views that makes 2-liter bottle explode with dry. Oh, that shit's so much fun. Have you guys ever done that? When I lived out in Sacramento, we had this job that got out at just the right time of day where all of the ice cream trucks were finishing their runs at like 6 o'clock. And we would catch the little ice cream carts, the Mexicans would walk around with, and we would literally buy an ice cream and then buy a block of dry ice off them for a couple of bucks. Take a newspaper, bash it up with a rock in the road, funnel it into like a 1.5 liter Pepsi bottle or any wide mouth 3-liter bottles. Those are the best ones. And then you just pour in a little bit of water, put the cap on, and throw it down the road. It is so much fun. So much fun. So here's what you don't do. You don't put the powder in a bottle, add a little water, toss it, wait a minute and go, oh, it didn't blow up. I'll go grab the bottle. Never go grab the bottle. Right when you get to it, boom! Where in Sacramento? I hung out in Sacramento. I lived in Rancho Cordova, El Dorado, Citrus Heights, a couple other spots. I worked in Rancho Cordova for a bit. I worked down outside of Citrus Heights, right in Sacramento. I used to live right near the Sac Mall. Right, like 2 blocks from the Krispy Kreme over there at the edge of Citrus Heights. Beautiful area. Nice view. Like, I lived right next to the mall. So, nice spot. Nice spot indeed. Yes, dry ice bombs, Gersh. That's what you walked into. We are talking about dry ice. Okay, no, what happened was we had launched like 8 or 9 of them at this point in 2 and 3 liter bottles down the road. We'd already picked them all up, and we were down to the last bit of powder in the dry ice, so we poured it into a bottle, and we tossed it. We watched that thing sit there and very slowly expand, and then it just sat there. So we waited a minute, and then as I started walking up, I got like 3 feet from it. Boom! Right in my face. And there was no dry ice left. It was all gone. It was just water inside at this point. But the CO2 had built up just to the point where it was just slowly expanding. And I guess when I walked up, the wind hit it just right. And boom! I won't concede. I love that name. That is cool. Welcome. But yeah, dry ice is a load of fun. Sometimes it's hard to come by. Different people won't sell their dry ice because it's expensive. It's more expensive than it used to be. Easy way to get millions of views on YouTube. The spider and the dry ice bombs. I can't believe that spider's 1.4 million subscribers. What was the view count on that? Let's look. Let's tell you guys. I can't show you, unfortunately, because of my setup. If I wanted to show you a screen, I would have had to do this sooner. 9,800,000 views. 1.4 million subscribers. Published December 2017. Huh. I bet you if I really wanted to, I could probably make something like that work. Hon, the mail went by if you want to grab it. Ice bombs are fun. The problem with ice bombs is I wouldn't want to do it. I wouldn't want to post a video that had anything to do with my Aereo. Do they? Well, here's the thing. It's just a picture of a sink in one. So did he create all of it in a 3D world like Blender? Bye, Sasuke. We'll see you later. And then just press play. Is that why it's only 20-30 seconds long? Because that's 20 or 30 seconds in a high quality resolution like that. It's a lot of time printing out screen. So figure roughly 2 to 3 minutes per PNG for the file. About 58 to 60 PNG files per second times 30 seconds. So let's say 1,800 files at 2 minutes per file. 1,800 is how many hours? Just think about the time it took to create that 30-second video on somebody's home computer. And that's from experience just running my skull. It takes a couple of minutes sometimes to render one high-quality PNG. And you need 30 to 60 of those for a decent video. And multiply that by 30 seconds. You need over 1,800 frames at a couple minutes per frame. You're talking time. I mean, you might be talking for something that high quality, if it's all built in the world, you're talking hours just rendering images and then having to splice them all back together and take a couple more hours rendering out the video. That takes time. That's why I don't do a whole lot of it anymore. It's time consuming. Just to make something move in the program takes a shit ton of time. There is a video on how he made the spider, so let's get back on this page. You're going to contribute to me giving this guy views. That's okay. I don't mind giving people views. But 1.4 million. Don't get me wrong. I have an okay idea, but there's no way I'm hitting 1.4 million. I see myself maybe getting around 5, maybe 10,000 people at the very most to watch my show ever. And that's being hopeful, I think. Captured, musical spider, polar bear. That's on his home page. Let's go to the videos page. There's Lucas the spider. It's cold outside. Baby, when it's cold outside, I got the month of May. I few K be nice if they regular. Hi, Ryder. Whoa, welcome, Malevolent. How you doing? I told you my dad you wish him happy birthday. Yes, I wish him a happy birthday. Oh, feel free to share my story. Happy B-Day, Ryder. Oh, Tim, your story. Where is the window that I have Twitter on? Right there. Okay, so check this out, guys. We made a little comment earlier, a little R.I.P. for Stephen Hawking. If you didn't hear, 75 or 76-year-old Stephen Hawking unfortunately passed away. Yes, I did understand. Your dad's malevolent. Yes, happy birthday to him again. Timmy sent me a message, which was cool. Just stories like this about somebody are always cool. So Timmy's message to me, as my computer loads its many things. In the 4th grade, my mom thought since I was disabled, learning about a guy with ALS would be good for me. She had read A Brief History of Time, and I wanted to clear up something, so I wrote a... She had read me A Brief History of Time, and I wanted to clear up something, so I wrote a letter. Stephen was in California at the time, so he brought me and my mom down to meet him. He offered me a ride to Oxford. I worked with him after I graduated. Sorry about that, guys. Let me just turn this monitor because it's not in the right direction. That's a little easier to read, but still very large. my response is that is so cool, because to meet somebody like Stephen Hawking, or the name was in my head earlier, he wrote Silicon Snake Oil. He taught up at Cornell. He actually taught Bill Nye, and Neil deGrasse Tyson was inspired by him. Why can't I? Carl Sagan. Carl Sagan's another brilliant mind of our time that we no longer have. It's just amazing that some of these people have been able to live during our time, and that we've been able to be exposed to their knowledge and their life, and then to suddenly lose them. So this morning I made my son sit through about 20 minutes of 2-minute clips from different news stations explaining, the goodbye to him. It was Cosmos. Yes, he also wrote Cosmos. Carl Sagan did. Lucas the Spider. No autoplay. I can't see you to pause you. There. So what makes jumping spiders so interesting? A 2-minute and 39-second video published on December 7th. Enjoy. 167 comments. Hi, my name is Lucas. I have too many eyeballs. I look around with all of the eyeballs. Wait. Where's my spider web? Oh, there it is. Okay, bye. That's the top comment from 3 months ago. Also the new show. I did like the new show Cosmos. Apparently they're doing a second season. It was created by Neil deGrasse Tyson and the guy that created the cartoon American Dad and why can't I think of his name? The guy that created American Dad and Family Guy? Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Seth MacFarlane. Thank you. Seth MacFarlane and Neil deGrasse Tyson created Cosmos. They're supposed to be doing a second season, but that was like October or November last year, last time I heard about that. Cosmos was awesome, not just because of the visual graphics that they use, but the way they go through and sequentially organize and explain the scientific exploration and what we know and what we don't know and how we've come to those. I'm sorry, science interests me, and that's one of the shows where you start to get explained the time dilation as you're moving as fast as the speed of light. You begin to move slower in perspective to the things around you, which means time would pass slower for you as you move closer to the speed of light, which means if you were to travel for 10 years at the speed of light, and 5 years out, 5 years back, in 10 years, you would have barely aged because time wouldn't have passed for you. But the person there on Earth that you return to would be 10 years older because time for them would have passed by 10 years. So how do you explain these? Time moves equally for everybody, right? No, because when you move as fast as light, time moves slower. So you could have a year go by at light speed and a year of time be used up. Time is still passing, but prospectively on the outside, 10 years have passed because you traveled for your year, but it's not a 10-to-1 correlation. I don't remember what the exact correlation is, but there is a time correlation with how fast you travel versus the speed of light. I always think that stuff is so interesting. And then you get into the time space warp fields. So you tell me how you take a 3-dimensional expanding piece of space and you fold time upon that space. So how do you make light traverse a segment without actually traversing it? It's interesting. It's like mind-blowing. I can feel my brain burning already. Hawking also had a wicked sense of humor. A lot of people never knew that. Yeah, it was hard sometimes to tell if you didn't listen to what he was saying. You'd have to listen to not the words, you'd have to kind of interpret the emotion behind them. Hell, even if you live a few decades at a higher level of elevation, Yes, slowly. That's why there's some areas that people are thought to have lived longer. You believe it or not, you're traveling faster than if you were at the center of the Earth. You're getting into quantum theory there. Be careful. Yes, I am, Saki. This is where my mind goes. Politics and shit I can deal with. I know a little bit about. But since I was a kid, I was always interested in space. And I would probably be flying a plane if I wasn't turned down for the Air Force because of medical issues. String theory supports multiverse also. Poorly, the Grim Reaper came into the bank and killed every heist participant. And there's the bot's rebuttal. Stop smiling or I'll smash your teeth. Now I'm having fun. Did he drink? Honestly, I don't know much about his eating and drinking habits or his social habits. I did try to... I haven't read any of his books. I've read... what's it called? The Synapse. The little... this is what it was about kind of things. But yeah, I didn't know he drank. That would be cool. Although you'd also think, wouldn't he also be on a lot of medication? Drinking probably wouldn't be great for him either. It's amazing he lived so much longer than he was supposed to. I didn't realize that they'd only given him a few years, and he lasted more than 200% of his own life over again. 250% of his lived experience when they told him you're about to die, he got to have 250% more than they told him he was going to live too. That's amazing. Doctors are idiots. No, he was 22. He lived to be 76. So he lived 250% times what they expected him to. Yeah. Oh, so he drank until he got a little older. Okay, that's understandable. I started looking into some of the stuff about him today, you know, as of course Google's gonna throw it right up in the prime search information about him. Oh, from the time he got sick. Yeah, he lived 53 or 54 years from the time he was told that he would have a year or so to live. At that time, he was 21 when he started. 22 when they gave him a time to live. So figure that under 25, and he lived to be 76. So he got more than 200% more than he was told he would have. He should have lived to be, 24, 25. He lived to 3 times that. The one I was watching this morning said he was, at 22, he was told he would have 6 to 18 months or something to live based on how quickly it was overtaking. So, yeah, it's still miraculous and amazing. And who is sending me messages? What phone was that even on? Yes, guys, I have more than one phone. And there is the sound of the bus. So I have to start getting ready to bid adieu. We're going to check out this Saki the Real meme real quick. No, it doesn't really matter. I just think it's amazing that such a... Oh, let's turn that off for you guys so you don't have to listen to it, because I can't... There we go. I will watch that a little later. Pardon the noise in the background as a child comes in. Okay. So I have some couple minutes of spiders to show my kids as they all get home. See you later, Reaper. Thank you everybody for coming to join me. I really appreciate it. Hopefully it helped you guys accrue some bones. I got some new commands in there and I got to learn some new stuff. Got some videos to check out and some things to do. I really appreciate everybody coming in and hanging out. I really, really do. Thanks so much for helping me burn another hour today, guys. Everybody have fun. Stay safe. Come up with some funny shit for tomorrow. Until then, later.